Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make yourself some healthy snacks using the Vibe blender. We're going to make some lemon Bliss balls today using just a few ingredients. They're vegan, paleo and SCD friendly. They're everything you love about a lemon slice, but they're packed full of good fats and healthy ingredients. This is a great no-bake recipe, which we all love. Everything goes into the blender all at once. We're going to use the tamp to push the ingredients down into the blades, and the machine should do its job really quickly, turning all of this into a smooth paste in no time. Then it's just a matter of rolling up the balls, coating them in desiccated coconut, and getting them in the fridge to set. So let's get everything into the blender jug. We'll start with 1 cup of raw cashews and 3 cups of shredded coconut. I'm going to use the moist coconut flakes today because they're a little more fleshy. If you're using a drier desiccated coconut, then you might need to add a little bit more coconut oil. Then we'll go in with 3 tablespoons of maple syrup or honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, the zest of 1 large lemon or 2 for more of a zesty flavor, and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. All of the ingredients are in the blender jug now. We've got the tamp set up and we're going to blend it on nut mode until it forms a smooth paste. After around 30 seconds, give the side of the blender jug a scrape down with a spatula. If it's looking really dry, then go ahead and add a little bit more coconut oil to help it come together. And then put it back on to blend for another 20 to 30 seconds. It should take around a minute all up. So that's all done now and the mix is looking really good. I'm happy with the consistency, so it's time to roll it out into balls. I have a shallow bowl of extra desiccated coconut in front of me just to roll them in, and then a plate for them to land on. I'm going to use a tablespoon to scoop out the mix before rolling them. You can make them as big or as small as you like. The lemon and coconut Bliss balls are all done now. I got 15 out of this batch, and the great thing about this recipe is it's just really easy to scale up or down depending on what you need. So all you need to do now is get them into the fridge or the freezer to set for a couple of hours. These are looking really good and they taste amazing. They're the perfect, sweet, healthy snack that are so easy to make at home. They'll keep in the fridge for around 7 to 10 days, or you can freeze them for several months in an airtight container. Make sure you give these a go and let us know what you think of them in the comment section below. As always, if you haven't already and you want to see more of our recipes, then hit subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it today. We've got plenty more good, healthy recipes coming up in the Luvele kitchen, so keep an eye out for those.